The new 3D Forever Young lens surgery is turning back the clock and reducing your dependence on your reading glasses or bifocals. Joining me now to explain how it works is Dr. Ming Wang with Wang Vision 3D Cataract and LASIK Center. Dr. Wang, welcome to the show.
Hi, Casey. Good to see you again.
Great to see you again. And you know, so many people know that there's LASIK for people who are younger and cataract surgery for folks who are older, but the people in the middle have kind of been left out, it seems like, until now.
That's right. And we have LASIK surgery, 3D LASIK surgery for many years. That is for typically 18 to up until about 50, 60 or so. And we have laser cataract surgery, which is typically 60, 70 or older. But patients who are between 40 to 65, the baby boomers, the folks who are active working, that as they get older, they find that they have to push things further and further to read. And actually, for the longest time, we have nothing for these patients in the middle age range. So when they say, come to see, Dr. Wang, do you have anything for my old eyes getting, push things further away to read? I say, it's not your eye problem. Just as you get older, your arm's getting shorter. That's all. So we call it short arm syndrome.
You can fix that, though.
Yeah, now we can fix the short arm syndrome now. We can just chop off here, extend 2 inches. Now, for seriously, we do have a new surgery that can make the lens more flexible, to enable the patient between 40 to 65 being able to regain their reading vision and reduce their dependence on reading glasses and bifocals.
So what types of patients are candidates? You said that age range, 40 to 65 years old.
Yes.
And that's a big group,
Yes.
big age range.
And that's basically baby boomers, 40 to 65 years old. They're actively working. And many of them, because LASIK is mainly for younger people and they get rid of distance glasses. And then when you're older patients, over 65, 70 for cataract surgery. For the middle, 40 to 65, for the longest time, they have not had a good procedure to enable them to reduce their dependence on reading glasses and bifocals. Now we have this new procedure, 3D Forever Young lens surgery, can enable the 40 to 65-year-old to reduce their dependence on reading glasses and bifocals.
Can they really get rid of their reading glasses and bifocals completely?
Yes. Yeah, it's amazing that it's a relatively new procedure, and we're currently the only center in Tennessee offering that. It's a combination of 4 technologies: 3D technology, the smart eye surgery, the laser lens surgery, and the laser astigmatism correction. So we're the only center in Tennessee that has all these 4, and being able to enable them get rid of reading glasses.
So how does it work?
Well, as you see on the screen, and this is a screenshot, and during the surgery, what we do is we actually measure the eye. So this actually see the principle of this optical principle of this 3D Forever Young lens surgery. So the light goes in the eye and gets reflected back and goes through a series of mirrors. And then the light reflecting through the mirror and comes back. As you see that the light hits a pair of what we call interference gratings.
Okay.
The gratings are set at an angle to each other to generate interference patterns. And this interference pattern is very important to be generated so you can calculate the refraction, the measurements. And the amazing thing is all these optical instruments is fixed into this little box, as you see. It's miniaturized through computerization, digitalization, miniaturized into this little box. So during surgery, what I do is, after we implant the lens, remove the inflexible lens and put in the flexible lens, we actually test drive patient's vision on the operating table. So we call this technology smart eye surgery, or just like smart bomb, it can do mid-flight adjustment.
Wow. And quickly, how long does it take? Is it painful for a patient?
Yeah, it's essentially a painless procedure, and again, it's for 40 to 65-year-old to get rid of their reading glasses. And most of the patients have been able to return to work the very next day, and minimal pain, discomfort, and quick recovery of their vision. Again, this is a 3D Forever Young lens surgery for the 40 to 65-year-olds.
Amazing technology.
Yes.
Dr. Wang, thanks so much.
Thank you.
For more information, contact Wang Vision 3D Cataract and LASIK Center at 615-321-8881. Again, that's 321-8881. You can also get more info at wangcataractlasik.com.